14 Sexy Body Language Secrets That Instantly Make Men Crave You. Have you ever wondered how some women just walk into a room and instantly turn heads, even before they say a word? It's not magic. It's not luck. It's all about body language. In this video, I'll reveal 14 sexy body language secrets that instantly make men crave you, without you ever needing to say a single thing. These subtle, natural movements send powerful subconscious signals that say, I'm confident, attractive, and completely irresistible. Stick around because tip number 14 is a total game changer, and it's something most women overlook. So, if you're ready to level up your flirt game and attract high-quality attention, let's dive in. 1. Smile at him. Let's start with the simplest, most powerful trick in the book, your smile. A warm, genuine smile makes you instantly more approachable and attractive. In fact, a 2021 study showed that smiling boosts your perceived beauty instantly. When you flash a smile at a guy, you're not just being friendly, you're signaling confidence, openness, and interest. It's your way of saying, I'm happy, I'm secure, and I'm enjoying your company. Bonus tip. Smile with your eyes. It adds sincerity and warmth. 2. Play with your hair. Subtle hair touches can be incredibly captivating. Whether you're twirling a strand, flipping it gently, or smoothing it down, these gestures draw attention to your face and neck, areas men are naturally drawn to. These subconscious movements signal self-care and self-awareness. Just don't overdo it. Keep it effortless, soft, and flirtatious. 3. Roll your shoulders back and stand tall. Good posture is sexy posture. Rolling your shoulders back, standing tall, and holding your head high makes you look more confident, and confidence is magnetic. Slouching, on the other hand, signals insecurity. Want to come across as bold, graceful, and in control? Practice power posture. When you walk into a room with good posture, you exude elegance and strength. 4. Lock eyes, then look away slowly. Eye contact is electric. Make brief, meaningful eye contact with the man you're interested in, then glance away slowly. This creates an exciting, flirtatious rhythm. According to psychology studies, extended eye contact increases feelings of attraction and connection. Use your eyes to send a message, without saying a single word. 5. Show your wrists and neck. These are classic erogenous zones. When you subtly expose your wrists or gently tilt your neck, you're revealing vulnerability in a very sensual way. Maybe you push your hair back or gently rest your hand on your collarbone. These simple gestures trigger primal interest. It's the nonverbal version of saying, I'm open to connecting. 6. Tilt your head toward him. This movement is soft, subtle, and effective. Tilting your head slightly when he's speaking shows interest and attentiveness. It signals that you're engaged in the conversation and that you value what he's saying. It also exposes your neck slightly, which, again, adds a touch of feminine allure. 7. Relax your shoulders and nod while he talks. Nothing turns a guy off more than someone who looks bored or stiff. So relax those shoulders. Nod occasionally while he's speaking to show you're genuinely listening. This kind of body language creates comfort and connection. It tells him you're approachable, and more importantly that you enjoy being around him. 8. Lightly touch him. A light touch can send shockwaves, in a good way. If the moment feels right, touch his arm or shoulder gently while laughing or making a point. Science backs this up. Soft, intentional touch increases romantic interest. Just be sure it's brief and natural, nothing forced or overly forward. It should feel casual yet intimate. 9. Whisper in his ear. This one is spicy, so use it when the moment's right. Lean in to whisper something funny, personal, or even playful. The closeness, the soft tone of your voice, and the subtle intimacy of it all create a powerful spark. Then pull away slowly, make brief eye contact, and smile. That combination? Instant chemistry. 10. Uncross your arms and legs. Crossing your arms or legs creates a barrier. It might make you feel more comfortable, but it sends the wrong message. It says, I'm closed off. Instead, keep your posture open and relaxed. Let your body language invite connection, not block it. The more approachable you look, the more likely he'll want to engage. 11. Avoid slouching. Slouching sends all the wrong signals. Low energy, low self-esteem, or even disinterest. Sit up straight but stay relaxed. Imagine a string gently pulling the top of your head toward the ceiling. You'll look confident, composed, and attractive without saying a thing. 12. Keep your hands visible. Hiding your hands in your pockets or behind your back can look suspicious, or at the very least, disengaged. Instead, let your hands move naturally as you talk. Use light gestures to emphasize your words. This not only makes you appear more animated and charming, but also keeps the energy flowing in the conversation. 13. Avoid touching your nose. Here's a surprising one. Touching your nose, especially during a conversation, can subconsciously signal dishonesty. Even the FBI has flagged this gesture as suspicious. So if you're trying to come off as sincere and trustworthy, keep your hands away from your face. Be aware of your habits, they speak volumes. 14. Give him just enough space. Getting close is great, but crowding someone? Not so much. Respect his personal space and read his body language. Lean in when the moment's right, but also give him room to lean toward you. This creates anticipation and tension, which builds desire. When you master this balance, you'll keep him coming back for more. So, there you have it, 14 sexy body language secrets that can make men crave you instantly. These aren't manipulative tricks. They're powerful, natural signals you can use to express your confidence, femininity, and interest. Remember, attraction starts way before the first words are spoken. Practice these tips, be your authentic self, and let your body speak louder than words ever could. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want more secrets on attraction, confidence, and communication, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and go enchant the world with just your presence.